Hey guys, Dave here. You can see behind me we got something going on. We're going to be replacing these boring, cracked, faded fog lamps for these new Tecoom daytime running light fog lights. So stick with me. We'll get them installed. Alright, here is what we got from Tecoom LED. We have these beautiful fog lights here that have the daytime running light built into it. Got some wiring for it, and see that looks like left, it's like right side. So just plug and play. Got our adjustment there. Alright. Oh, that's so satisfying. That's what we're working with right there. And a quick look at our instructions. So it just plugs right in. We have a extension wire. They want you to hook to an accessory in your fuse box. And yeah, well, I don't think it get much easier. The only thing I recommend using, because it doesn't come in the kit, are these here. So this allows you to plug into your fuse panel, your fuse box. Let's say we're going to use a cigarette lighter. So you can plug it in. It retains a fuse specifically for the cigarette lighter, and then it also has a fuse specifically for what's going to be our daytime running light. That way we can fuse it and have a decent application here. Alright, so I did the other side off camera. I actually recorded it, but the lighting was pretty bad, so I had to go find me a light. So what we're gonna take our little clip puller here. We're gonna stick it under here, pop that out, go ahead and pull our bulb out. And with our 10mm short extension and ratchet, let's get pulling this thing out. You got 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3. So let's just go ahead and start with this one here. Oh. This one. Two. And she's just gonna lift out. And that's it. Now we will just tighten her down. hook. All right. Get it plugged in.